Hi everyone and welcome back to another trading day. I'm Johan Malan. Today, Wednesday, 25 October 2023. I have 18 charts to look at that could potentially boost your trading profits for today. My first pick of the day is potential long on the pound New Zealand. But before we proceed, remember that trading carries risk and never trade with money you cannot afford to lose. And as always, at the end of the video, I will show you my favorite trade idea for today. So grab your notepads and let's get started. Now let's get back to the pound New Zealand. I just entered into the trade here. We have the Fibonacci retracement 61% right at this market structure. Piercing line this morning on the 4-hour charts. Nice reversal, but pound there and New Zealand down there. That's why I entered into the trade. The CAD Swiss, after closing all the shorts, we got this consolidation period, the flag, the break. I like the shooting star, so I skipped the midnight bars. But now, on a retest of this line here, I will look for 1 hour and 4 hour reversals. CAD Swiss, good for shorts. Gold trade yesterday, very interesting. We started off with a 1 hour hammer candle right at the level. I did a small nibble there because it was roughly inside the trade zone. So I did do one entry there. 4 hours after that, confirmed with a nice hammer candle, so I added again to the trade. And now we're busy breaking. You can use either one of these two, little flag pattern, the break, the retest. If we can get a retest there, a candle reversal, but for that we're going to need a retest there. Right. Otherwise, the breakout of that connected lines up there, that'll also be a place where we can do the break, the retest, and then a 1 hour or 4 hour reversal. Target on this initial entries, I put up at the $2,000 levels. We can go beyond, and we will be using this Fibonacci from up there to there, that swing there, and then your 1.27 comes in at $2,010, and the other one at $2,030. So very nice profits that we can make on this. For now, stop loss down just below 1949. So we'll see if I can get a break. I'll pull stop loss to entry. The New Zealand US got the short yesterday on the 1 hour chart. You can see here testing the level. I showed you the 4 hour level yesterday there, and I said to you when we get there, I'm going to look for shorts. The 4 hours gave a evening star. You can see a long white, too small, and a long black closing below the halfway mark here. So that's an evening star, although I entered on the 1 hour chart. Dark cloud cover after testing the level and short. So that's a lovely one. You could have added back into the trade on the halfway mark, the sweet spot there, which retested last night on, but I took the whole trade on that reversal. 1 hours. So 4 hours now coming down nicely. Can't trail any stop loss at this stage. Targets down here on these lows. And if you want to take it beyond, as always, we go for the last directional swing on the Fibonacci's. And we can do up to 1.27 and up to 1.618. The advantage of taking the 1 hour trade was the risk reward. The risk on this trade was roughly 25 pips, and down on these lows you got your 50 that you wanted to. That'll make me a very happy trader. But if you want to go further to the Fibonacci levels, you'll see here you can still push to 60 and even 80, 90 pips. But guys, remember, trading isn't just about my insights. I want to hear from you. Drop your questions, share your experiences, and tell me which trading opportunities you are eyeing in the comments below. The next, the pound Swiss franc, also got a short on this one, a lovely test. It did cut through the first level I showed you. I said if I don't get my trade idea filled here, I'll do the next one up there. And that's exactly what happened on the 1 hour charts. It stopped there, but then cut through there, and then a very nice evening star also. I did the halfway mark by the time I got to the computer. So you got the test, long white, too small, which I add together, evening star, and anything entry from there to the halfway mark was perfectly fine. 4 hours gave a bearish engulfing, which was also a good entry there. Also a good entry there. No problem with that. So total risk on the 1 hour trade was about 30, 40 pips, up 60. Targets could be down on these lows. And there's also a round level coming in, the 1.0800 level. So I would go just before that for a target. 4 hour charts can also go for Fibonacci's. This last directional swing coming in there. I would say 1.27 and 1.618. That would be two lovely targets that we can set for those that wants to go for bigger targets. Aussie Swiss, unfortunately a bad trade. I identified this market structure here at the 61% level, came in yesterday. Very nice bearish engulfing, got me into the short, started to go well. Only last night it broke to a new low where you could trail your stop loss, but I was obviously asleep and this one trailed back. Right, took a full loss of 30 pip loss on this trade. Sadly, otherwise I would have been much smaller loss if I could trail the stop loss, but that was on the midnight bars, which I am not awake. So now this one is off my list for today. Aussie Swiss getting very close to each other, so I'm taking this off. Then the US Swiss, we've identified this level there. It missed it, so I'm still waiting there. See here, US Swiss still good. The breakout yesterday on the 1 hour chart, you'll see it just broke out and just went back. So no retest, no candle reversals, so no entry. Euro CAD retesting. I'm waiting for this to retest again. Euro there, CAD there, all good. That resistance got confirmed last night on the support. So if it gets back there and I get some reversal signals, I will then enter into that trade on the long side. Aussie, New Zealand. Aussie up there, New Zealand down there, great for longs. I'm waiting for this retest, the same as yesterday. Pound CAD, also now confirming this level last night. So if the pound CAD, they're getting a little bit close to each other, but when it gets there, I'll still be interested in going long on 1 hour or 4 hour reversals. And then the Aussie CAD, also the same as yesterday. We had the swing, the retest here, Aussie there, CAD there, all good. So I'm waiting for this area to be tested. Then I will look for 1 hour or 4 hour reversals. Nasdaq got this rising wedge, the break now. So I'm interested in this on the short side. I would love to see a retest on the 1 hours and get a candle reversal. 4 hour reversals will also be good. With the dollar still in the strong area there, I would definitely be stock market bearish. So this nice rising wedge, I would short on nice retests. Euro pound, busy breaking out. Euro there, pound there, still good. A little bit iffish on this one, but it did break up. It's busy retesting. So all I'm looking for now is 1 hour reversals or 4 hour reversals of this trend line. S&P 500 is doing the same as the Nasdaq. Busy breaking, haven't got a close below yet, so this could be a little bit later today only, but we need a close below and then I'll get interest in the retest. Also a little rising wedge pattern. New Zealand yen, also rising wedge. Looking at New Zealand yen, still New Zealand the favorite pair to be short in, so I'm going to need a break, a close or two on the 4 hour charts below, the retest, and then the 1 hour or 4 hour reversals of this rising trend line. Aussie yen, Aussie very strong since the CPI figures of last night, better than expected. Aussie yen, all good, waiting for the retracement. Then I'll consider longs at this 61% FIP level at market structure here. New Zealand Swiss, want to be short New Zealand, want to be long Swiss. So nice flat consolidation, same as we had up there. So now we're looking for this, a few 4 hour closes below, or at least one close below. The retest, 1 hour or 4 hour reversal, and then I will go with it. My favorite idea for today is a potential long on the Swiss franc. But first, if you are new to this channel and find this video helpful, give this video a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button so I can keep making content like this for you. Don't forget to turn on the notification bell to ensure you don't miss out on my daily trade ideas. Now, let's get back to the Swiss yen. Swiss up there, yen down there. I would like to see this triangle, the break on the 4 hour charts, the retest, and then the reversals. I am still eyeing these two levels. If the pattern doesn't play out, I will come back to these levels and test my trade idea here. But for now, I'm really hoping for the break and the retest and a nice continuation on the long side of the Swiss franc. I've been trading since 2003, and if you are eager to take your trading skills to the next level, check out the links in the description to join my mentorship program and open a trading account with a trusted broker, which I've been using since 2010. Thank you for joining me today on this trading journey. Don't forget to trade responsibly, and I can't wait to see you in my next video. Until then, trade well.